Welcome in to Yes We Can Outdoors. My name is Mike Blanda, and thank you so much for tuning in today. It's been a little bit since I put a full-length video out. I'm a father, a married husband of almost 17 years coming up, and I have 4 daughters, all in sports. 3 of them in traveling soccer, and it is non-stop go for me as a father. So it's been a little difficult to get some videos out, but I have something for you guys right now. Watch this, we'll get right back.
Packed up, ready to go.
Okay, so many of you guys know I went to Yosemite on an epic backpacking trip. It was phenomenal. We had to leave a day early due to weather conditions. I will put the link up top for that so you can take a look at that video if you wish. But I was able to have some video I didn't put in there, and I just want to show you guys a little bit of cooking material. It's just me and the guys getting a little cook on, so you get to see that. But I also want to bring up one thing I wish I had on that trip. And Cascade Wild has an ultra lightweight table. It's a 4x12 table, and guess what? They sent me a table. So thank you so much, Cascade Wild. I cannot wait to take this on my next backpacking trip. It's 2.2 ounces, and I love how it folds up really nice. It's really small, so I'll be having some videos of this coming soon. It also comes with a couple cutting boards if you wish, but this is perfect for your stove and your cooking. It actually has a 324 degree Fahrenheit, of course, melting point, so this won't melt on you. It's a nice little table. It's collapsible. I'll do a full-length video, but I want to give you a show of what it kind of looks like. We'll get more into this later on, but for now, enjoy my food gathering, and thank you guys so much for tuning in today.
What color is it?
Grayish. Well, I think I did my bear box.
This one.
I do have a cutting board. Go ahead.
You do? That'd be good. got a knife.
Roll back.
Okay, let's see.
Got fat back and roll back.
It's not easy to see. This is on, you know. It has a button right here. It doesn't have a clip.
Really sweet.
Yeah, pull it out, you gotta cut yourself free.
Is that the selling point for you, Brian?
What?
Was that the selling point for you? Oh, I can cut myself free.
Well, you always want to be able to cut yourself free, and it has a screwdriver. We have that situated. We got a situation here.